It's been a while since I've been on. And that was because my screen was broke. But for the last 2 weeks, I've been back in the gym with Auntie Vanessa. Hey y'all, spend the day with me. It's planting season and we are in the backyard. We got some onions that we're gonna be planting. Lettuce. Bell peppers. My pots are what I'm gonna start my bell peppers and my onions in. We're gonna start them off in the house and then move them outside. Look how dry the soil is. So here you see me adding in some water to mix up that soil, and voila, this is how it should look. So after I was able to bring the soil back to life in each one of the pots, I decided to start with them first, then move on to the garden. Up first, the onions. Can y'all see in there? Look how small those seeds are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Can y'all see that? There we go. You see that? My husband got a good water hose. Tiny baby tomato plant right here. Come on, husband. Can't even see it, it's so tiny. Yep. We're putting that lettuce directly into the garden. All right, I think that's enough water. All right, y'all, thanks for hanging, but we're done for the day. See ya.
1 week later.
And just like that, this weather got disrespectful. Tore my plants up. Had the greenhouse cover all lopsided. So what does that mean? I had to start over.